Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all of you again to my channel Information Cottage, and I hope all of you are fine and doing great in your lives. So today, why I am making this video? I am making this video because of the huge number of requests offered by Turkey Burslari Scholarship 2020 applicants. So there are many applicants, almost I heard that 100,000 of applicants applied for Turkey Burslari Scholarship 2020, and many of them are asking me about impacts of this coronavirus disease or COVID-19 on Turkey Burslari Scholarship. So I decided to make a comprehensive and the complete video that it is either it is cancelled or delayed or postponed. So any news about Turkey Burslari Scholarship because of this coronavirus will be discussed in this video. So before starting the video formally about Turkey Burslari Scholarship 2020, let's talk about the coronavirus or COVID-19. What actually this virus is? This virus is an infectious disease. It mainly targets your respiratory system. And how we can avoid from this COVID-19 or coronavirus? We have some golden rules by following those rules we can avoid to much extent from this coronavirus. The first rule, how we can avoid from this coronavirus. The first thing what we can do to avoid from this coronavirus is to maintain some specific social distancing from each other. No matter where are you, if you are in home, so you have to make some social distancing from your family, from your friends. And if you are in a public place, you are working somewhere, you have to follow some social distancing rules there as well. So social distancing is the key indication to avoid from yourself from coronavirus or COVID-19. The next thing, that how we can avoid from this coronavirus. So coronavirus is a contagious disease. It spread from the surfaces around us. So we should not touch the surfaces around us. We should not touch the door handles again and again. We should avoid touching the bike handle, the cars, and the all the surfaces around us, because this virus has different lifetime on different surfaces. So if you touch any surface, for example, if you touch the door handle or bike handle or maybe your car, what you need to do, you need to wash your hand immediately. So wash your hand frequently, at least for 20 seconds, just to get rid of this coronavirus. So the second thing to avoid from this coronavirus is that you have to wash your hands at least for 20 seconds. The third thing, how we can avoid from this coronavirus disease, we can use the alcohol-based sanitizers, which are very commonly available in markets now. So we can use those alcohol-based sanitizer just to disinfect or sanitize our hands. And remember, use only 1 or 2 drop, because 1 and 2 drop would be capable enough to kill the virus. Don't use too much sanitizers. So using alcohol-based sanitizer is the third rule to avoid from this coronavirus. The most important rule about how we can judge, how we can diagnose this coronavirus disease. Remember, these days we have pollen season in the world, so there might be some viral infection. So don't mix this viral infection with the coronavirus disease. How we can diagnose that if we have this coronavirus or a viral infection? The first check you can immediately check at your home. It is this much. I will show you how. First of all, you have to inhale some airs into your lungs, just like this. And then after inhaling that air into your lungs, you have to stop your breath for 10 to 15 seconds. Remember what? 10 to 15 seconds. You don't have to breathe. So during this time, just like this, for example, I'll show you how. Okay, so something is like this. Even what you can do, you can stop. If you cannot stop your breath, you can use your hand to push your nose from here. So during this stopping period, if you feel anything bad, if you feel pain in your chest or in your lungs, and the most importantly, if you feel some dry cough in your throat, So it means that you may have the indications of this coronavirus. So you have to have the initial checkup of the coronavirus. The first thing you can do if you have these kind of symptoms, what you need to do, be mentally and psychologically strong. Because remember, this virus is not 100% deadly. If you lose your senses, you lose your courage, you will lose your life. There is only 2% death rate. Look at the number of recovered cases in the world. They are too much as compared to the death. So 2% is the only death rate. If you have good immune system, you have 98% chances to recover from this COVID-19 or coronavirus. Right after the checkup, isolate yourself in a room. So do not try to sit in between your families and say that, okay, I got coronavirus, I have this kind of disease. Remember, you may survive from this coronavirus. It is not 100% deadly. Like it is only 2% deadly. If you see the number of recovered cases in the world, they are too much. Alhamdulillah, they are too much as compared to the death. So 2% is only death rate and 98% is the recovery chance. So if you have good immune system, you may recover. But remember, as I told you earlier, this virus is so contagious. It can harm you and harm other people as well. You may be able to survive, but you can spread that virus from yourself to other ones. You can be act as a transmitter or a catalyst. So in order to avoid your family and friends, you need to isolate yourself in a room, and then after isolating yourself, you should call the doctor immediately to have corona checkup. And the last thing about the coronavirus, I would say that definitely staying at home is much better than staying in hospital, staying at ventilators, and even staying in grave. So we should follow the rules, the one we know, the one is like implemented by the government. We should support each other during this difficult time. Inshallah ta'ala, inshallah azwajal, I am very hopeful we will get through this difficult time soon. So Ramadan has come, we should pray to Allah maximum that please, my dear Allah, please help us during this difficult time. Offer your prayers regularly, keep fasting, and help poor and needy people around you. Take care of yourself. Now let's talk about the second half of the video. So in this section, I would like to talk about more comprehensively about Turkey Burslari scholarship and the COVID-19 impacts on this Turkey Burslari scholarship. As Turkey Burslari scholarship is one of the best scholarships available in Turkey, and it was started in 15th of January, and the last day to apply for this scholarship was 20th February. So let's discuss their academic calendar first. So they told that after the deadline, from March to August, there will be an evaluation period. They will have self-check of your documents. They will see that if you have your documents completed or not, then you will be selected for the interview. We are in April still, so it is still an evaluation period. I know the COVID-19 has impacted very badly the whole world, everything, school, college, offices, universities, all the offices are closed. So it will definitely impact this Turkey Burslari scholarship. But remember, we are still in an evaluation period. So it is April 2020 and we have to wait up to June to get some news. There might be some delay, but there is no official notification that this scholarship has been cancelled or delayed. So we have to wait. Again, I am repeating my sentence. There is no news that this scholarship is being cancelled or delayed. So during this time, you have to wait for your turn to come, and if you are selected on this Turkey Burslari scholarship, you will get interview call and you will appear for the interview, and definitely inshallah, if you are capable enough, you will be selected for this Turkey Burslari scholarship. But don't panic yourself. What you can do during this time period, you can apply for other scholarships around the world as well. Recently, I uploaded a video about King Abdul Aziz University of Saudi Arabia. It is offering fully funded scholarship for graduate program for masters or PhD. You can apply there, and it is almost free of cost. And what you need to do, you have to have 5 band in IELTS and 63 in TOEFL. You have to have only one test, not 2. And you can apply for other scholarships as well. So finally, take care of yourself, take care of your family and friends from this coronavirus or COVID-19. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know on the links I have given in the description box. You can talk to me on Facebook Messenger or Instagram. So till the next video uploaded, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.